Welcome back to the Drive Time Reviews. Today, we're diving into a truly rugged and purpose-built vehicle, the 2025 Army Bus. A beast designed for troop transport, high-security operations, and all-terrain mobility. This isn't your average military truck. It's a modernized multi-utility vehicle with the heart of a tank and the brains of a smart vehicle, built for function, durability, and dependability under the toughest conditions. The 2025 model brings serious updates in both performance and comfort. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Army Bus has a commanding presence. Its armored shell is constructed from reinforced steel composite panels, giving it maximum protection against ballistic threats and harsh weather conditions. The matte green and desert tan paint options are not just for looks, they're infrared, resistant for reduced heat signature. The vehicle features a high ground clearance, heavy-duty off-road tires, and skid plates underneath for mine and terrain protection. The front grille is protected with a steel mesh cover, while the LED headlights and fog lamps are enclosed in armored housings. On the roof, you'll find optional mounting brackets for communication gear or defensive setups, depending on mission. Requirements: the sliding and side swing doors are hydraulically assisted and reinforced, making it both secure and functional in high-pressure environments. The interior of the 2025 Army Bus is surprisingly well-equipped, keeping in mind the balance between function and troop comfort. The cabin is configured to carry up to 20 soldiers, depending on the layout, with each seat having harnesses and padding for long missions. The seats are modular, allowing for quick conversion from personnel to cargo transport. The flooring is non-slip military-grade rubber, and the ceiling has LED low-visibility lighting. Inside, the driver and compartments are separated by a reinforced partition, featuring digital instrumentation and a tactical command interface. Navigation, real-time tracking, encrypted notes, and thermal cameras are all accessible from the dashboard. HVAC systems are upgraded to handle extreme climates. And the rear section includes storage compartments for weapons, gear, and medical kits. Under the hood, the 2025 Army Bus is powered by a 6.7-liter turbo diesel engine producing around 400 horsepower and over 850 pounds EFT of torque. It's paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission and an advanced 4-wheel drive system with terrain select modes for snow, mud, sand, and rock. The heavy-duty suspension absorbs impact across the harshest terrains, while reinforced axles and military-grade brakes ensure stable handling and stopping power under full load. It may not be the fastest vehicle on the road, but it can climb steep grades, wade through
Welcome back to the
deep water,
Drive Time
and operate
Reviews.
in extreme
Today we're
temperatures
diving into
without
pure
fail.
speed, engineering precision,
Reliability
and
is
track-ready
the
aggression with the
priority, and it
2025
delivers.
track car. A
In
machine
terms of
built not
price,
for comfort,
the
but for one
2025
thing
Army
only,
Bus
performance.
is not
Designed for the
sold to
racetrack, but
civilians,
legal enough to
but
take
for
onto the
military
streets in some
contractors.
regions. This car is an absolute
Price
beast
ranges
and a testament to motorsport-inspired
$50,000.
engineering. If you're someone who lives for speed and control, this car is worth your full attention.
Armor upgrades,
2025 track car makes an instant statement with its striking exterior design. Everything about it screams aerodynamics and lightweight performance. From its carbon fiber front spoiler to the sculpted side skirts and aggressive rear diffuser, each detail serves a purpose. It sits low, wide, and ready to pounce, with massive vents and ducts channeling air exactly where it's needed. The LED lighting is razor-sharp and minimalist, adding a futuristic edge to its otherwise function-driven design. A massive rear wing dominates the rear, providing serious downforce for high-speed cornering. The chassis is built on a lightweight, carbon monocoque frame, helping reduce weight significantly without compromising structural rigidity. The car is available in a few bold racing shades like jet black, fire red, matte gray, and performance blue, all of which make it look like it belongs on a podium. Step inside, and you won't find plush leather seats or ambient mood lighting. The interior of the 2025 track car is stripped down, focused, and mechanical in the best possible way. There's a lightweight racing bucket seat with 6-point harnesses, a removable Alcantara steering wheel, and a digital display mounted directly. In the driver's line of sight, everything is built around the driver, from the adjustable pedals to the exposed carbon interior panels. You get just enough digital tech lap timer, G-force meter, live telemetry, but nothing that distracts from the primary goal, driving as fast and clean as possible. Even the door panels miles per hour, coming in just 2.9 seconds, and the top speed, well north of 200 miles per hour. The suspension setup is fully adjustable.